Hello, and welcome to PeatDataHub. This is part 2 in a 3-part tutorial detailing the process of establishing an eyes on the bog monitoring site as part of our partnership with the IUCN's Peatland program. We will now move on to the rust rods section, and rust rods allow for low-cost monitoring of peatland via rust lines representing water table behaviour. To add a rust rod, we will navigate to the Rust Rods tab of the EOB site and select Add Rust Rod. Rust rod metadata and initial observations can then be added, again with asterisks to represent required fields. Enter a unique identifier. Latitude, decimal degree, and longitude, decimal degree at the rust rod. You can then add a von Post classification, or if this is uncertain, check von Post classification uncertain, which excludes this value. Select the date installed. Add any comments appropriate and navigate to the top to click Save. If you then wish to add further measurements to the rust rod, navigate to the Measurements tab. Select Add Rust Rod Measurement. You can then input information such as the date of the measurement, the rust line depth in centimeters, whether the rust rod is submerged or flooded, and which will allow you to input positive values, whether it was cleaned when the measurement was taken, the von Post test established at that measurement time, and further comments. You can then click Add, and it will add to the list of tests and calculate automatically a change in trend. It is not calculated automatically here because you always leave one measurement as an initialization in a rust rod site. Please also note that measurements will be displayed chronologically based on the measurement date, and that in order to delete a rust rod entirely, all measurements must be independently deleted first. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please now progress to part 3 of the Eyes on the Bog series addressing surface level markers.